So what you need to do in Minecraft, go to options, after that go to video settings, search for advanced OpenGL settings and turn it off, save the changes and restart the game, turn off showing OpenGL errors, disable this feature, open Minecraft and navigate to options, select the video settings and click on others, turn off the show GL errors feature and save changes. Now we need to update or roll back Windows Update. To update the OS on Windows 10 or 11, first of all press Windows plus I to open settings, navigate to Windows Update on Windows 11 and Update and Security on Windows 10. After that, check for the updates and download the available updates. Make sure to restart the device to see the changes. If the problem still occurs, make sure to reinstall Minecraft. So press Windows plus R to open the Run app. After that, type appwiz.cpl and click OK. Find the Minecraft, right click on it and select uninstall. Reinstall the game and start playing. You can also try updating your Java files if you are using the Minecraft Java version, and your problem should be gone. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.